What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Makeup Monday video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this mellow yellow makeup look. If you're interested, continue watching. Starting off by doing my eyebrows. After doing my eyebrows, I'm now going to apply my foundation. After applying my foundation, I'm now going to apply some setting powder. After applying my setting powder, I am now going to move on to my eyeshadow. Now first, I'm going to be using this very light concealer as my eyeshadow base. Okay, so guys, I went ahead and applied another coat of the light colored concealer that I showed you guys I was using as my eyeshadow base, and this is the outcome. Now I'm going to apply my colors. Going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to be using this yellow as my base color. Now I'm going to apply a second base color, which is this red right here. After applying my eyeshadow base colors, I am now going to do a cut crease. So this is what my cut crease look like. Now I'm going to go in with 3 colors. The same 2 colors that I use as my base, that is the yellow and the reddish orangish color, and some white. After doing my eyeshadow, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner to make a wing. After doing my wing, I am now going to apply some lashes. After applying my lashes, I am now going to wipe away my setting powder. Now I'm going to go in with some highlighter. I'm going to go in with my dark brown pencil for my waterline. Now with some high shine lip gloss. Final touch, some setting spray. That is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.